Okay, so we are staying in 335, and it looks like they have this new technology on the door where you just tap it and the key like this too. So let's see what our room is gonna look like. Okay. These are 2 queen beds in the room. There's a resort view and a balcony, which we're gonna see. There's a TV here, and on the TVs, if you didn't know, like most Marriott ones now, you can log into your Netflix account, Prime, Hulu, things like that, and watch from the account you have. There's an adjoining door here, it looks like. Then we have an outlet in the lamp, coffee maker, Starbucks, got some tissues. We got this side area table, and this has guest service information and dining information. This table is actually really easy to move. When I stayed here, and I was able to do work and also eat room service. So it's very convenient and has multiple uses, and it's easy to just move around the room. We have a lamp here and then a chair. And also we have our nightstand area. And we have a phone, an alarm clock, a menu for bedtime snacks. So it looks like a sleep well menu. I haven't seen this before. You can get tea. It looks like in different types of things, yogurt, spinach, just very light foods. They have the telephone information, which is super helpful. Sorry, I keep dropping. I'm trying to hold keys and stuff at the same time. I just dropped them on the floor. And then we have water and coffee too, for the Mr. Coffee machine over here. We also have drawers. Ooh, they look very clean, which is a good thing to put your stuff. I don't know how many people actually unpack when they go away. Personally, I just live out of my suitcase unless I'm on a cruise. Then I unpack, especially since we're changing hotels back and forth because of the rates. It's harder to do that. We have a mini fridge, which with cold water in it, which is a nice touch. So they give you 6 free waters in the room. Here you can change the temperature. I like the feel of the room. It makes me feel very relaxed. It's clean. Or here's the bathroom area. So we have the sink, and we have a mirror, and then we have that side mirror, which is helpful for makeup or contacts or whatever you're doing, trying to look at your face. A storage area under here. We have the bathroom area right here. We have the vanity area to get ready, some towels, and then the mirror, and then we have a mirror on the door. So what I like better about this room compared to the Dolphin is that we have 2 sinks, the one right here outside the room and the one here to get ready. In the Dolphin, the room we were just in for the first night, we only had a sink on the outside, not inside, and the bathroom was smaller, just had the toilet and shower. And we have way more towels they gave us here than in the Dolphin. And then they have these little Swan and Dolphin body lotion, shampoo, conditioners. They give you soap, little glasses, plastic cups if you need. Then the shower area right here. You get some soap, they have a towel, and then they have one of these heads with the, and then this handheld one too. I've never had an issue with the water pressure at this hotel. I think it's actually really good, which is good to know. And then also, so let's check out the closet area. So I'm trying to think if we had a closet in the other room. We did, but it was a sliding door. So these are the ones that like fold open. And there's an extra pillow up there. We have hangers, a ton, a blow dryer, a place to put our suitcase, an ironing board, an iron, a safe, which is very flat. So I guess that's good if you have a laptop. It looks like it would fit in there. And then we have a robe, just one though. So let's check out our balcony area next to see our view. This is only the 3rd floor. So I'm not sure what we're gonna see. We have a little view of the resort, which is good. The trees are in the way, it looks like. I'm not gonna go out this minute, but it's not as good as the dolphin view, but that's okay. I wanted to stay at the Swan this time at least one night. We're staying 2 nights just to see the difference because I stayed at the Dolphin in November. And then we stayed at the Dolphin last night. We're going to stay at the Dolphin in a couple nights again. But it's very relaxing over here, which is nice. So I don't mind being over here and seeing it. And it looks like we can see the boardwalk area, but the view's a little blocked by the trees. But I'm okay with that, because I'd rather have a balcony where we can get some fresh air and relax than be in a regular room and have a better view. I think it's just the way that the Swan is designed. And that's our, that's the room tour.